Hi, happy St. Patrick's Day and a very happy spring. As you can see, I got one of my long time wish list Hoyas. It's a Hoya multiflora and it arrived with a peduncle on it. I cannot believe that it survived the packaging, the shipping all the way from California, I believe. Arrived intact. I didn't do much with it, but you can see the growth points. There's one here, there's one here. And this new leaf. And then we saw the peduncle earlier. So I decided not to disturb it or create any unnecessary shock. So I just plopped it in this clear container and have been bottom watering it. And I put it here on one of my plant shelves under the grow light. And I'm hoping for the best. Yeah, I'm really happy and thrilled that it arrived with a peduncle already and made it all the way through shipping. So I'm really impressed. I got this plant off of Etsy. I've been wanting to get it for so long, but I don't know why I never found it for a reasonable price or never cared to buy it before. But Hoya multiflora has a reputation for being a prolific bloomer, and the plant arriving with the peduncle clearly proves its point and adds to its reputation. So yeah, I'm really happy that I finally got this. The next task I want to tackle is this neon pothos plant. This has been sitting in its nursery container for 2 years in this cover pot, and you can see how long and scraggly the vines have gotten. So I decided that it was time to give it a haircut, a glow up. So I have decided that I'm gonna take a bunch of cuttings right here on these bare vines and propagate all the cuttings so I can root them and plant them back in the pot, or maybe create another pot full of these cuttings. So it's always a good idea to examine all the scraggly or bare vines and then take stock of where we want to make the cuts. So for instance, here I'm going to cut it right here, closer to the base or closer to the pot. That way you can see I have this long piece and I can start making multiple cuts with nodes and individual leaves. So I can plop them in a glass of water and hopefully root them in there. I'm gonna just put these cuttings in my IKEA vegetable shelf and keep an eye on the water levels. Make sure the water does not evaporate completely or get too gross and murky, and maybe change out the water every 2 to 3 days. And yeah, just keep an eye out on these cuttings. They're so vibrant and healthy looking. I really like how it's turned out. And the mother plant from which I took all these cuttings from, just gonna give it a drink and put it right back. It looks a little droopy because I forgot to water it before I took the cuttings, but it's okay, it'll bounce back. This is the next day in the morning. Notice how the leaves perked up and look all happy against the sunshine. I just love how plants perk back up. I hope these snippets bring you peace, and I hope the sun shines bright wherever you are. Thank you. Have a nice weekend.